So day one is a prototyping. The kids check through all of the seasonings and the sweet and the savory, and they go through 3 or 4 variations to come up with a recipe that they like.
I think this is onion. We have sage, turmeric.
The turmeric and the lemon zest really carry the flavor of the popcorn.
I made the genius decision to put a lot of cheese in it.
And then day 2, they take their prototype and they bring it to scale. And they make enough to serve as many customers as we can bring in. And then they come up with a slogan and a logo and a name for their popcorn.
We need change.
And then we bring it to market. They have to decide on the price that they're selling. And then the customers vote in part with their money.
We're gonna give a free one to our most loyal customers. These are my favorite. I bought 5 of them.
And in part, they'll fill out a questionnaire after the class, and then we'll do feedback with the students on the most popular, the most tasty.
What? You are our top customer. I don't know what to do. It's really good.